let it be the little interactive till Neha starts her presentation. I mean, on the screen.
No, it's an art.
It's an art because I said it's an art, right?
Is it visible?
रेफरेंस कैसे
Yes,
निकलवाना है, that is our skill, no?
yes. It is an art of getting more references, but yes, there is some systematic approach also to this. So, can you just tell me why you are there in New Udyojak? Next slide, Neha.
Getting business, more and more business
Yes,
references.
yes. To grow your business,
Yes.
right? Neha, please keep on clicking. Next. So, how will you grow your business in New Udyojak?
By getting more and more references
References, right? How will you get those references?
from people around us or members.
Educating our fellow members. See, here you need to understand the term educating your fellow members. And how to educate, that will learn. How will you educate your sales team?
By sharing knowledge.
With sharing
Sharing
knowledge. Yes.
and
There
information.
are,
One
yes, exactly.
presentation.
Yes. In how will you educate in 1 minute your presentation, and of course in your 10 minute business presentation.
And one-to-one also. While you are
Exactly.
doing one-to-one, also people get ideas that you can be a good reference for somebody else.
Exactly. But here now we are talking about the effective 10-minute presentation, right? So here your members are there, but every time we have visitors also in a room. So to impress them, to get references also from them, we need to have a effective 10-minute presentation. So you should keep in mind that you are not doing 1 minute slot. So you have to structure it. It's your 8 minute presentation and 2 minutes for question and answer. This is the way you have to structure your 10 minutes business presentation wherever the slot is given to you. Next slide, Neha. So what should we talk and what should we not talk about? We should not talk about how you got into the business, all your background, कि मेरा ये फलाना हुआ था, इतने साल ये हुआ था, उतने साल वो हुआ था, उसके बारे में आपको बिल्कुल भी बात नहीं करनी है आपके प्रेजेंटेशन में, राइट? व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन योर पर्सनल लाइफ, इससे बताने से कुछ भी हासिल नहीं होगा, वो सुनने के लिए वहां पे लोग नहीं है. So you should never talk about all your personal life and what is going to have in your business. विजन मिशन वैल्यूज. विजन मिशन वैल्यूज तो आप किसी को भी ऐसे भी भेज सकते हो और बता सकते हो, तो उसमें आपको टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है. Then what should you talk about? Your business and how your sales team. See, the people in the room is your sales team. How can they help you find more business? Educate your sales team in what you do exactly in your business. As a services, or if you are in a retail business or if you are giving any services, what exactly you do. Educate them to how they can help you, right? So these are the things you need to talk about. Neha, next slide, please. So what should you include? Your specific target, yes. Listen out for what you want to listen from all the people, that you should include. Tagline, it's a must. Tagline, we all know the importance of tagline. Company background, no, no, never. Company background is not important in a business presentation. That you can explain them in your one-to-one. And teach a chapter a new things, whatever you are obtaining in your business or any new services or any new vertical you are going for, that everything you should include in your business presentation. So this is a structure, how many minutes or how you can structure your business presentation. 1 minute about yourself. Of course, you need to introduce yourself, education, your qualification, education that you are pursuing for your business. Any particular degree you have for your business or any particular education that you have obtained in for your business to grow your business, that definitely has to be included in the business presentation. And of course, the experience in your business, number of years you are there, number of experiences, number of the companies they are from where you had got the experiences, that definitely you have to include. 2 minutes about the your location, where is the business located, your office or your shop or anything from where you are operating, that location has to be included, because you need to get the references, or you have to very clear in your mind that how will you get the references in your area, or from where you can get the references. Unique services, of course, the business unique services has to be there. Hot product or services, any hot products that you have introduced in your business now or maybe in a future, that has to be mentioned in your presentation. And how the company is innovating, any innovative ideas that you are introducing in your company or in your business. For 2 minutes, for that all these things you need to give. 2 minutes on an example, how you helped a client. This is very important, friends. How have you solved a problem of any client? If a particular problem or is in your customer or your client is there and you solve his problem, that has to be mentioned in a presentation specifically. 2 minutes for marketing. Yes, of course, marketing is also very important. So educate your fellow members on how to find clients. See, in a room, there are maybe 20, 25 members, but these members are not your clients or they are not your references. You need to get the references from their contact circle. So this marketing aspect is very important. Yes, Neha? 1 minute for referral partners, specific reference partners. That the education slot we took last 2 day, 2 meetings. So what are the specific references that we need, and what are the specific clients or specific categories that we need to grow our business. So 2 minutes on that particular things you need to speak. So what next slide, Neha? What is specific references? So to whom we can say it's a specific references, how can you get that? So you need to give the detailed explanation about the specific references down to the last detail. What is that? Company name, of course, office location, where is that office located, department, that is has to be mentioned in that specific references, designation of a person to whom you want to meet, and of course name of the person. So this is the strategy, or this is the guidelines, these are the guidelines that how you can find out a specific reference you need to grow your business, and that you have to explain to your fellow members. Next slide, Neha. There are some more things to consider before your presentation. That specific and specific, you need to focus on specific references. Prepare every time, anytime, every time you are prepared to talk about your business. Start 1 week before your presentation. Start sharing some stories or some achievements about your business, about your services in a group, right? And also the leadership team has started giving you the opportunity about sharing your business on social media. So use of social media is very, very important. So keeping all these things in mind, you should prepare your 10 minutes presentation. And of course, after 8 minutes presentation, you need to give a particular time for question and answers. And this is not for the members, this is for the visitors. So they will also know the way you are there deep in the knowledge of your business and what you want exactly from them also. That's all from my side. This particular presentation was for the new members who are now newly joined in our chapter, and they have scheduled their presentations in couple of weeks. Thank you.